Could Bitcoin really dethrone the US dollar as the dominant global reserve currency? If you think it's impossible, stick around. You might be surprised. We've all seen the rise of Bitcoin, but have you ever considered that it could become the new backbone of the global financial system? Hello everyone, Paul Hickman here. Today we're diving into numerous reasons why Bitcoin could become the future dominant global reserve currency, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll see Bitcoin in a light you never thought possible. First, let's establish what we mean by reserve currency. A reserve currency is a foreign currency that is held in significant quantities by governments and institutions as part of their foreign exchange reserves. Currently, that title belongs to the US dollar. But what if I told you that the dollar's reign might not be as secure as you think? Alright, so we know that the dollar is king for now. But here's where Bitcoin starts to make some noise. There are 5 big reasons that Bitcoin is on the ascent. Number 1, decentralization. No single entity controls Bitcoin. Number 2, transparency. Thanks to blockchain technology, it can be trusted. Number 3, security. Proof-of-work blockchain validation keeps the system secure. Number 4, scarcity. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever be minted. And number 5, inflation hedge. It tends to appreciate over time. So far, we've talked about the attributes that make Bitcoin a contender for the role of global reserve currency. But you might be skeptical and thinking, it's all theoretical. Is Bitcoin actually getting real-world traction? Well, let's take a look at the evidence. Corporate adoption. Companies like Tesla, Square, and MicroStrategy have not only invested in Bitcoin, but also advocated for its use as a more bankable asset. This is a huge departure from the early days when Bitcoin was considered too risky for institutional investment. Retail acceptance. Platforms like PayPal and Cash App now allow users to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. Even traditional financial companies like Fidelity are developing Bitcoin-based products, showing that Bitcoin is becoming more user-friendly and accessible. Legal tender. El Salvador rocked the boat by making Bitcoin legal tender in 2021. While opinions on this move are divided, it's undeniably a groundbreaking step towards state-level adoption of cryptocurrency. Financial instruments. Bitcoin futures, options, and even ETFs are becoming more common. These financial instruments could pave the way for a more regulated and stable Bitcoin market. Global accessibility. One of the most appealing aspects of Bitcoin is its borderless nature. This makes it especially appealing in countries facing economic instability or strict capital controls. In nations like Venezuela and Zimbabwe, Bitcoin is not just a speculative asset, but a lifeline. Decentralized finance, or DeFi. Bitcoin also serves as the cornerstone of the growing DeFi ecosystem, which aims to create decentralized financial systems that are open to everyone, irrespective of geographic location. So will Bitcoin replace the US dollar as the dominant global reserve currency? If not a replacement, it should at least be a contender. Thanks for listening, and please like and subscribe for future videos. This is Paul Hickman, signing off.